Good morning, good morning. Today, I will make roast chicken wings, spice. So, ito po yun, no? So, 4 bucks siya. So, pakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ako magawa ng roast chicken wings. Yan. Tanggalin pala natin yung mga hair nila. Yan. So, kakat lang natin siya ng half. Yan. Alright, just add fresh lemon juice. And fresh lemon juice. And then olive oil. Yan, ito ng olive oil yan. Ayan. Olive oil. Yan, black pepper. And salt. And soya sauce. Yan. Soya sauce. And then I'm gonna use this paprika, mixed spice, and Cajun powder. Yan. Yan po siya. Yan. Cajun. Yan. Mixed spice. Paprika. Right. So you just mix together this. So ayan, ready na yung ating chicken. Marinated na siya. So yan na po, ilagay na po natin siya sa oven. Yes. Let's do it in the oven. So ito na po siya. Yan. Like this. Turn lang natin siya. Para balance yung color niya. Then put it back again in the oven. So yan na po siya. Look at that. It's nice color. Golden brown color. But this one I'm gonna put this in a tray because I'm going to bring this to my community. Alright, that's all. My chicken is ready. Dadalhin ko to sa aming Filipino community gathering. Yummy, bon appetit.